Oh, didn't see you there. Welcome back to the Moxi Skates YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching my friends Kayla and Evelyn how to do some ledge slides. Introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Evelyn and I'm a beginner roller skater.
Hi, I'm Kayla and I'm an intermediate skater.
First step, put on whatever protective gear you feel most comfortable with. Since Evelyn is a beginner, we're going to start out with some warm-ups and throw in some helping hands. Disclaimer, only do this if you feel very confident helping out your friend or if you have shoes on. A great warm-up to start with is stepping on one foot at a time so you get used to the angle and the material of the ledge. Now that she's warmed up, I'm going to offer my helping hands. We're going to start with full palms first so she feels confident and supported. Again. Moving on to make things a little bit more challenging and more independent on Evelyn, I'm going to do open palms. So she's going to just rest her palms on my palms and not actually fully grip me, so that way she is relying more on herself. Now that Evelyn's feeling a bit more confident and comfortable, I'm going to let her do it solo. No! When you actually want to slide a ledge, you want to come at it from an angle instead of head on. So since Evelyn was just jumping on head on, we want to get them used to jumping on and turning their body a little bit. So the next step would be jumping on from a 45-degree angle or fully parallel to the ledge. Evelyn, do you feel comfortable with me standing here? Awesome. Give it a go, you got it. You don't have to roll if you don't want to. You got it, you got it, you got it. You can roll a little bit, don't overthink it.
Okay.
You're just slid that ledge. Yeah, try not to roll if possible, but a little bit.
It's already angled?
Yeah. Now that Evelyn is even more comfortable, we're moving on to the next step, which is rolling. And like I said, you want to roll in at about a 45-degree angle for the best slide possible. You got this, Evelyn. Evelyn, were those your first ledge slides ever? Heck yeah! Now that we worked on the basics with Evelyn, we're gonna move on to Kayla, who's a little bit more intermediate, to really get those slides down. I know you already know how to jump on and how to roll up, so now I'm just gonna give you some pointers how to make a slide a little bit longer. You wanna make sure that your feet are about hip width apart, maybe even a little bit farther. And you can either slide it flat-footed or you can turn your feet in, whatever feels more comfortable for you. It's personal preference, but make sure you have a nice stance when you get on it, and make sure that you lean back a little bit, bend your knees a little bit, so that way you actually get on the angle of the ledge and you're not too on top. All right. one.
That was the best one I've done.
Kayla's getting these pretty dang good, but I'm gonna watch her do it one more time and give her any feedback that I might notice. Heck yeah. That was actually super good. My only feedback for you is if you want a longer slide, pick up a little bit more momentum and go a bit faster. And the next thing would be on your landing, absorb that impact by just squatting down a little bit more. And if you want to show some confidence, like you know what you're doing, just ride that out with some steez, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, sounds good.
Oh yeah! If you want to know more about ledge slides, check out my previous video that breaks down how to do it properly from beginning to advance. We hope these tips and tricks help you with your first ledge slides. I hope these tips and tricks help you with your ledge slides. If you have any other questions, please let us know in the comments below. You can find me on Instagram as Roller Goolie.
Little Space Cowgirl.
And at Evelyn and Evelyn Ivyy.
Thanks for dropping by!